Number 21, given that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, what can you conclude using CPCTC? Remember, this stands for corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So since these triangles are congruent, there's 6 parts that we know to be congruent. We know that angle A is congruent to angle D. We know that angle B is congruent to angle E. And we know that angle C is congruent to angle F. Those are our 3 pairs of corresponding angles. Our sides, our segments, our AB is congruent to DE. BC is congruent to EF. And then AC is congruent to DF. So these are the 6 things we know to be true, and we know to be congruent based off of this congruency statement. So then we can go through our list. This says that angle A is congruent to angle E. No, angle A is congruent to angle D, so we can mark that out. This says that the ratio of AB over DE is equal to BC over DF. Well, we use this with our proportional sides for similar triangles, not congruent triangles. But if they both equaled 1, which they would if they were congruent, then that would be true. But AB over DE, those are congruent to each other. So we know that that would be 1. And then over here, BC is not congruent to DF, so that would not equal 1. Okay? So BC over DF, these are not equal to each other, so we can rule that one out. Angle B is congruent to angle E. That is true. And then the last one says that AC is equal to EF, and AC is equal to DF. So B is the correct answer here.